Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz. I am the owner and operator here at Tech Imaginations. My website is techimaginations.net and obviously here on my YouTube channel. I just want to say welcome back. It's been a little hiatus over the summer. I took a break from making videos and I just want to welcome you back. If you're starting a new school year, welcome to 2022-2023, and I hope your school year has gotten or is getting off to a great start. And I just wanted to kind of come back before I do a new tutorial video and do a little update and tell you what I have to offer here at the channel. So for those who are new to the channel or don't know me, I'm Susan Vincentz. And in my day job, I am a K-12 technology integration specialist at Christian Academy School System in Louisville, Kentucky, and in Southern Indiana in New Albany. We have 3 campuses that I serve, and I help teachers integrate technology into their day-to-day instructions, learn how to use the different types of apps that we have available to them, and make sure they have access to their online curriculum. So I'm excited about that. I love educational technology. I've been doing it for over 16 years, and prior to that I was a library media specialist and also taught in the classrooms in grades 3rd through 8th at various times. So I've been an educator for about 25 years. It's crazy. I'm getting old. But I do still love it and love helping teachers learn how to better use technology efficiently and productively to help make their lives easier and their students' lives easier. So I'm excited to bring to you tutorials here on the Tech Imaginations YouTube channel. I'm also a part-time church communication director at my church here in Shepherdsville, Kentucky at Little Flock Baptist Church. And so I take care of social media, their website, run ProPresenter, which is our song lyrics on the screen. So I dabble in that, love church technology as well as in educational technology. Also, I am part of the Shake Up Learning team. So if you're familiar with one of my huge mentors, Casey Bell at shakeuplearning.com, I'm part of her team who does trainings virtually and in person. So if you're looking for something there, I would be happy to contribute through the Shake Up Learning site. Get with Casey and we can get something arranged. I'm also the co-host of the Ask the Tech Coach podcast, so go find us over on your podcast catchers on Ask the Tech Coach, and I would love for you to listen to us over there. So I hope you enjoy what I have to offer on this channel. If there's something that you're looking for and that you can't find, I would love to make you a video about it. So take a look through my archives, and if there's something there or something new you've heard of, let me know, and I would love to provide that service to you to find those videos on the things that you need. So enjoy Tech Imaginations. I hope you have found something that you find useful or will as I put out more tutorial videos in the future. But in the meantime, go down below, hit the like button and subscribe and the notification bell so you'll know when I put out new videos for your tech learning needs. And in the meantime, be blessed, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.